Yeah, I'll tell him. All right, darling. Bye, bye.
Mobile phones can upset me. So 10 people on the mobile phone.
Yeah.
I think if you're on two voice people, there's a different style. Lots of background noise.
Yes.
Come back and have another go.
Nice stuff to you, Roger.
Good luck.
Right, so this is the engine.
you going, Ken? I don't notice it again. Can't help it. Yeah, time to turn. You should stop before you get onto turntable. I'll stop it there. That's it. Driving the turntable now.
Most of all, if you go with
15.
outdoor sports,
It's almost home, and then turn it down to about 2. So you line the tracks up by eye. And if you overshoot, you're in trouble.
We can run again.
Yeah. It's got a lot of backlash.
Oh, it'll be the same weekend. That's fine. Okay. And if it's good, what do we see? I think the steam on the wet. When I drop the nail back later, I'll pop round and get the steam up.
You put my steamer. Oh, that's steamer.
Sorry, the wet back.
Did it really wet one up. I can't believe that happened to you yesterday. Why did you not take it?
Why? You didn't want help.
No.
Doing the website. He said we've got 80 members in the society, and he's got to spread the info out evenly. So he said you won't all get invited to the same show, it'll be evenly spread, so you'll probably do this show. Which then the station, the food yard, you could have like the DMU side area, then you've got all the sidings at the other side.
SWT don't do through. That's really good.
Yeah, they do. They do the representation. be like off the top of the episode.
Nothing weird. As soon as it warms up, one wagon decides to derail.
Nice and steady, I like the style. I'm making them go slow. Now I'm going to make them go fast.
You are.
Look how fast I make it go. This is how fast I make it go. This is how fast I make it go. This is what you play with.
It was working perfectly before the show over.
It's too early then.
There's no weight going on the top.
No. No, the cranks at the platform.
This is where the tunnels start. One push this in there and one not.
Go on.
It's a bit much for 3 hands.
Quite well with the local law as well.
Oh yeah, so that's
Going in.
the clown's car.
I'll follow you out with the, I'll follow you out with this.
This is both sides.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And this road down here is called Go Away. Micro trains is the only ones that actually make them in America. The rest are either made in Japan or China. K-Town made in Japan, the rest is China. Same as Hornby, made in China. Bafton, China. But we run out of trains and everything else in the world. Batteries. I mean, BYD now are larger than Tesla. And I mean, we've got BYD double-deck buses in London now. Chinese buses. No, we used to make our own, and then we used to make our own bodies. Which one? Oh, fuck off. Don't do that to me.
Look at this one, coming over the bridge. When that goes down the bridge.
Yeah, I'll leave you to look after it for a minute.
I'll just leave it as it is.
I've worked where the bloody locos are, so it's totties, which is even bloody worse.
You're saying about that, the best place for control panel on this layout particularly is on here. never get a chance to finish anything through.
Yeah, it's stopped dead there, isn't it?
Something there.
Hello, stranger.
Oh, yeah.
My grandson, ball valves to put it in his tool. No idea what sort of a ball.
Say it would be up to 12 volt, yeah. Because then you take, yeah, probably. The torch wouldn't have enough power, probably, because the torches only work on 3 volt mostly. But I don't think it'll be a signal.
Yeah.
Too much hassle.
Shall I lock him up?
We'll try and find for a cup of tea, I think.
You all right? Oh, you didn't lock him.
Okay, you release it.
It all sort of like had this big burst of activity and all the pumps started back up again.
Other than that building.